Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I make beauty, fashion and fitness and blog related videos. If you are interested, then do subscribe if you wish to see all my future videos. So in today's video I will be reviewing and swatching these liquid lipsticks, and these liquid lipsticks comes in a packet of 4. It's a mini collection and it's a winter heat wave collection, and it says here winter heat wave hot toddies. I've got no idea whether you can see it or not, but it looks like this, and it comes with 4 mini bottles, and at the back it looks like this. So it says here, hot toddies, sip all of that holiday family tea and never need a touch-up in this super comfortable, long-lasting liquid lipstick in winter-ready shades that are universally flattering. So, I don't know. So, it says how to use long-lasting liquid lipsticks using applicator line lips, and use single strokes to fill in lips completely. Let's set for several minutes before eating or drinking. So you have to let it set for several minutes before eating or drinking. So I don't know how long you have to let it set. I have applied this one. I don't know which one was it, but yeah, this one was Pale Haba. I've applied like, I think 10 minutes ago, but it still transfers. So I think you have to wait for several minutes for this to dry. So let's see how the packaging comes and the size of it. Comes like this, and it comes in a box. So the first shade, which I have already used in my tutorial videos, like this shade I'm starting off, is Bell Haba, and it comes like this, and it says here it says Bell Haba, the perfect Mauve nude brown to pair with all the holiday glades. So it's for holiday season, I don't know, but it's like on the other side, like US or other part of the world. I think fall season is holiday season, but in our side fall season is not holiday season. So this lipsticks I bought from Glam. It's a website, I will link it below in the description box. So it comes like this. It's a mini bottle, and like it's a glass bottle, and it's written here Ofra, and at the back it's written the Bell Haba, the name of the lipstick. And okay, it's really beautiful. It's a really beautiful Mauve nude shade. So I really like Mauve nude shades of lipsticks and like lip liners too. So it's one of my favorite lipsticks. So it also says here a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It looks like this. So now this lipstick dries in a while, and it takes several minutes for it to dry. Then it will be transfer free. So you have to wait several minutes before eating. So like when it dries, it gets a little bit dark too. So I really like this shade, Mauve shade, and it's really beautiful, and it goes so well if you are wearing a dark eye makeup. This is a mini collection, and it is so good for you to get it and try before you buy the full size. And I really like Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. They are really good, and when it dries they are really long lasting too. And I think I don't need a lip balm to apply on top. It just comes off with a makeup wipe. Okay, now I will be applying the second one, and the second one is this okay, I don't know, but I want to apply the dark one last, so I will be applying this one. So this shade is Monaco. You'll wish you could frost everything in this icy pink metallic. Say metallic. I love metallic liquid lipsticks. MG, like, oh, literally. Oh, wow. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Literally, I love this metallic shade. It goes on the teeth just because it's not dry, so you have to wait several minutes before it dries, and then you can eat. Like, I think after 15 minutes it will dry, but the colors are really pretty. I love Ofra cosmetics so much. Their liquid lipsticks, their highlighters, oh my gosh, I love it so much. So all their liquid lipsticks I have, like, literally they are so beautiful, and these shades are so good. And like, literally after applying liquid lipsticks, it's very hard to take it off, and my lips always burn when I wipe the liquid lipsticks, which are very matte, like it dries and sticks on your lips. But these ones are so cool. You can just wipe it off with wiping cloth, or like makeup removing wipes, or any kind of wipe. You can just wipe it off, and you can also wipe it off with a wet cloth, like it will come off. So this lipstick color is so beautiful. Okay, the next one I am trying is this, I think it's a red one. I'm going from the lightest to the darkest. So this one is Brickell. This true red is for that tea that is just too hot to handle. So it's too hot to handle. Red is always too hot to handle. Let's see. Oh wow. This looks so beautiful. I have applied only one coat of this lipstick, and I think 2 coats will look really good, but I just wanted to apply 1 coat, and like, it looks so beautiful. Wow. Oh, what do you say? I think red looks so beautiful, and like, it dries really quickly too. So this one dries really quickly. I think the first one I applied 2 layers, that's why it didn't dry quickly, but this one dries really quickly. Okay, now I will be swatching all this on my hand, just because I forgot to swatch while I was swatching on my lips. So first one is this Bell Haba. Looks beautiful. It's that mauve nude shade. And the second one is this Monaco. Look. I love it. And the third shade is this Brickell, this hot red shade. This is red. It's beautiful. And the last one is this, the one I am wearing, Mina. So this is the last one. Aren't they beautiful? I love it. All the shades you need, it's there. Metallic, mauve, and red, and berry shade, all in one. Look at the shades. Aren't they just so beautiful? So yeah, this was it for today. I did like all of these 4 liquid lipsticks from this collection, winter heat wave collection, and like we are into fall season, so I love these shades to wear in this season. And like all the shades are so beautiful, especially the these 2 shades which I might be wearing every day, and these 2 dark shades are so good if you're going out at night. Like, it's literally such a beautiful collection, and it's a mini collection, so it's so good to get a mini collection if you want to try before you buy a full size. And I think mini collection will last a long time, just because like it has quite a lot of products. And I think it says here long lasting liquid lipstick, weight 2 gram and net weight 8 gram. So it has 0.28 ounce of product in it, I think. And that's what it says here. So yeah, it's a long lasting liquid lipstick, and it's a matte liquid lipstick. And like Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipsticks are really good, and they are my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time. I love it just because it's not like after applying it doesn't crack, you know what I mean, like it doesn't dry, like it doesn't look dry that quickly like some of the liquid lipsticks out there. I have some like I think this one, I think Sleek Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, they dry so quickly, and after a while your lips look very dry. Like Ofra lipsticks are a bit expensive than other Sleek kind of liquid lipsticks, so it's a bit expensive, but at the same time it's so worth buying. Like you will get what you paid for, but this is not cheap. Like Sleek liquid lipsticks are not cheap too, but I think, I don't know what was the price at $10, but like I don't know, but like Ofra liquid lipsticks are really good. Like it's so worth buying. If you really want a good liquid lipstick, you should try this collection, winter heat wave collection. It's good to try before you buy, so you will know what you are getting in full size. So I really wanted to try, that's why I got it. I got long time ago, last year sometimes, but I did these swatches now, so it came out last year in holiday season I think, but I am doing swatching today so that I will like show you guys if I'm applying this in my videos. You will already know. So I have done a makeup tutorial videos on this eye look, so I did wear a liquid lipstick from this, one of this nude mauve shade. So yeah, I wish and I hope that video will go first, or this one will go first, I don't know, but which one I will edit first will go first. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video with your families and friends, and do join me on all social media sites. All the links will be below in the description box as always, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.